In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video in PowerPoint. So what you want to do is be inside your presentation in PowerPoint on whichever slide and where you would like to insert a video to. Then you want to go up here to where it says Insert and go to the very right where it says Video. Now in here you can click on the video and then you can select one of the three options. So you can look for a video on your device, so you can click on this where it says this device, and then you want to look for a video on your computer. Now when you find it, you simply click Insert and it's going to be inserted into your PowerPoint presentation. The second option is to find a stock video. Now if you click on this, as you can see, stock videos start loading. Now you can search them over here, or you can also search them by different categories and stuff like that. And let's say I want to add in this box of chocolates. You want to click on it, press Insert, and in a few seconds, once the video gets automatically downloaded, it's added into your presentation. Now you can of course resize it. As you can see, you can drag it from the corners, you can resize it and move it around freely as you would like. And yes, that's the second option. And if you then play the video, as you can see, it's now playing normally inside PowerPoint. Now let's delete this one. And third option is of course online videos. So online videos, it works the exact same way. Basically, you can simply enter in the address for the online video, okay? So we can just find a video, for example, on YouTube, SlideShare, Vimeo, Stream, and Flip. As you can see, these are all the available and supported websites where you can find this. And I'm going to quickly pull up a video right now just to show you how this works, okay? So there we go. I'm going to find one of my tutorials. I just copied the link address, paste it in here, and then as you can see, it found my video, which is on how to download a game from Steam. And you want to press Insert, and there we go. The video has been inserted into your PowerPoint document, PowerPoint presentation, and you can then move it around, drag it as you wish, and that's it. You can of course as well play it. When you click on it, it's going to load in and it's going to start playing, and that's literally it. So I'm going to